In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Notion using a ready-made template and then tailor it to your workflow. First, open Notion and head to your home view. From here, we're going to jump into the template marketplace so we don't have to build everything from scratch. Look for the option that opens the marketplace. Depending on your layout, this may be in the sidebar or under a Templates or Marketplace button. Click into that. Once the marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search field and type CRM. This helps you quickly filter down to customer relationship management templates instead of scrolling through everything manually. After the results load, find the sales CRM template provided by Notion. This is a solid starting point because it already includes a contacts database, pipelines, and useful properties. Click on that template to open its details page, then hit the Add button. Notion will now ask where you want to add this template. Choose to add it to a new team space if you want to keep your CRM separate from the rest of your workspace, which is usually a good idea for clarity and permissions. Confirm that choice. Once it's added, click on See Template so you can open the new Sales CRM page inside your workspace. Inside the Sales CRM, you might see a notice about charts or other advanced features. You can ignore that for now and focus on the core database. Next, click into one of the sample client records. These are dummy entries included to show you how things are structured. Opening a sample record lets you see properties like status, contact details, and last interaction. At the top of the page or database, you'll see a status property such as lead. Click on that to reveal the available stages in the pipeline. This is where you'll later move contacts from lead to active client to closed or lost. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these stages. Back in the main Sales CRM page, look for a view called Clients by Status. Click into it. This usually displays your clients organized by their pipeline stage, often in a board layout, which makes it easier to see where each contact sits. Now switch to the Clients Database view. This is the master table that powers your CRM. From here, you can switch between views like Lead, All Records, or Clients by Status, using the view selector at the top left of the database. Click on the Lead view to filter only leads, then switch to All Records to see everyone in one place. Inside the table, click on the Name column or header to confirm this is the main identifier for each contact. You can then use the View menu and layout controls, often accessible via a More or three-dot icon, to adjust which properties are shown, add or hide fields, and change how your data is grouped. Finally, open the additional options in the View controls, such as To More or similar links, to reveal filters, sorts, and groupings. Click through these settings to customize how your clients are organized, whether by status, industry tags, or last contact date. Once you've done that, your Notion workspace now has a functioning CRM built on a robust master database, ready for you to start replacing sample data with your real contacts and interactions.